What if I told you I built a $798,000 accounting business? Not with a big team, not with an MBA strategy deck, but with artificial intelligence as my CEO. After losing my job as an accountant, I was crushed. But instead of giving up, I gave AI the keys to my comeback. And in just 12 months, I built a business that now earns more than my old salary ever could. Here's exactly how I did it, step by step, with ChatGPT leading the way. For over 10 years, my life revolved around numbers. I was an accountant in the construction industry, and I loved it. I mean, there's something so satisfying about taking a jumbled mess of spreadsheets and turning them into a clear financial picture. But then, out of nowhere, I got laid off. It felt like the rug had been pulled out from under me. This job wasn't just a paycheck. It was my identity. I was lost, unsure of what to do next. I opened up ChatGPT and typed in a simple question. ChatGPT, what business can I start with my accounting background? Little did I know that one question was about to change everything. Now, I've always been a bit skeptical of AI. I mean, could a computer really replace a human CEO? But ChatGPT blew my mind. It wasn't just spitting out random business ideas. ChatGPT helped me analyze different business models, figure out pricing strategies that made sense, and even identified my ideal clients. It suggested that I start my own virtual bookkeeping and tax services company, focusing specifically on construction firms. With ChatGPT as my co-founder, we got to work building StoneCore Accounting and Tax Services, LLC, brick by digital brick. The first thing we tackled was all the legal stuff. ChatGPT walked me through the entire process of registering my LLC online, getting my EIN number, even setting up a professional email address. Next up, we needed a bank account. ChatGPT guided me through the process of choosing the right bank and setting up my business account. It even helped me craft the core elements of my brand, including a mission statement, vision statement, and an elevator pitch. Alright, so we had the business foundation set, but we needed a brand that screamed professionalism and trustworthiness. ChatGPT understood this completely. First up, the logo. Now, I'm not exactly a design whiz, but ChatGPT was bursting with logo ideas. We went back and forth, refining the concepts until we had a logo that perfectly captured the essence of StoneCore Accounting. Next, we tackled the color palette. ChatGPT suggested a sophisticated combination of blue, gold, gray, and white, colors that conveyed stability, reliability, and a touch of elegance. Now, for the website, ChatGPT didn't just help me design it, it practically wrote the whole thing. We're talking compelling copy that spoke directly to the pain points of construction business owners, SEO keywords, and even a killer about me page. Now it was time to turn my website visitors into paying clients. ChatGPT recommended a platform called Systeme.io, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. Systeme.io allowed me to create a website, build landing pages, and set up automated email funnels, all in one place. First things first, we needed a lead magnet, something irresistible that would make construction business owners hand over their email addresses. ChatGPT came up with the perfect solution. A downloadable guide titled 5 Mistakes That Could Be Costing You Thousands in Job Costing. Next, we created a high-converting landing page where visitors could download the guide in exchange for their email address. And finally, we set up an automated email funnel using MailerLite, which ChatGPT also recommended. This meant that as soon as someone downloaded the guide, they'd automatically start receiving a series of emails from me, providing even more value and establishing me as an expert in construction accounting. I didn't want to be just another bookkeeper churning out spreadsheets. I wanted to offer services that would truly transform my clients' businesses. And you guessed it, ChatGPT was there every step of the way, helping me craft a suite of services that were both comprehensive and unique. We're talking detailed work-in-progress reports, accurate job costing, monthly profit and loss statements, and meticulous tax filing. To ensure a smooth and professional experience for my clients, ChatGPT helped me create a detailed client onboarding checklist. This checklist covered everything from gathering the necessary documents to setting clear expectations for communication and reporting. ChatGPT also helped me draft professional-looking proposals, engagement letters, and service agreements. With ChatGPT's help, I had all my legal bases covered. Remember that feeling of landing your first client? The one that makes all the hard work and doubt melt away? Well, with ChatGPT's help, that moment came sooner than I could have ever imagined. I still remember the day I sent out my first email pitch. It was terrifying and exhilarating all at the same time. But this wasn't just any email. This email was crafted by ChatGPT, carefully worded to resonate with construction business owners and highlight their pain points. And guess what? It worked! I got a response, and before I knew it, I was on a Zoom call with a potential client. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous, but ChatGPT had my back. We'd practiced my pitch countless times, refining every word and anticipating every question. By the end of it, I had my first client. And here's the kicker. That one client paid me more in a single month than I had made in weeks at my old job. Now, I know what you're thinking. One client is great. But how did you scale that to a $798,000 business? Buckle up, because this is where the magic really happens. ChatGPT helped me refine my niche, focusing specifically on construction firms and contractors in the bustling New York City area. It's all about targeting the right people with the right message. We then unleashed the power of LinkedIn. ChatGPT crafted compelling direct messages that I sent to potential clients, showcasing my expertise and the value I could bring to their businesses. And remember those email outreach templates we created? Yeah, those were working overtime too, bringing in a steady stream of leads. ChatGPT helped me identify and connect with two incredible consultants in the construction industry. These partnerships were pure gold, giving me access to a whole new network of potential clients. By month 6, Stonecore accounting was booming. But with more clients came more work, and I knew I couldn't do it all myself forever. It was time to scale up, but I wanted to do it strategically, without breaking the bank. ChatGPT helped me streamline my processes, automating repetitive tasks so I could focus on what mattered most, serving my clients. We're talking about automating financial reports in Excel, creating standardized operating procedures, and even drafting job descriptions for my very first virtual assistant. We shifted from one-off projects to monthly retainer packages, providing ongoing bookkeeping, tax planning, and consulting services to my clients. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for, the revenue breakdown. It's time to get real, get specific, and see exactly how Stonecore Accounting raked in $798,000 in just 12 months. First up, we've got our bread and butter monthly bookkeeping services. With 15 clients on board, each paying a comfortable $1,250 per month, that's a cool $18,750 in monthly recurring revenue. Next, we have annual tax preparation services. With 19 clients, each paying $1,500 for their annual tax returns, that's a tidy sum of $28,500. And finally, we have project-based consulting services. These are our high-ticket offerings, where we provide specialized advice and support to construction firms on a project-by-project basis. Throughout the year, we landed 4 major consulting projects, each bringing in over $5,000. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, okay, ChatGPT is cool, but it's just a tool, right? And while it's true that ChatGPT is a tool, it's so much more than that. It's like having a business partner available 24/7. A partner who never sleeps, never gets tired, and always has your back. ChatGPT gave me more than just business ideas, scripts, copy, and marketing plans. It gave me something far more valuable: confidence and clarity. See, when I lost my job, I didn't just lose my income. I lost my sense of purpose, my belief in myself. But ChatGPT helped me rediscover that. It empowered me to take control of my future and create a business that was not only profitable, but also deeply fulfilling. So, here we are at the end of my crazy AI-powered journey, and the biggest lesson I've learned is this. You don't have to wait for a job to find you. You can create your own opportunities. The tools are out there, the resources are available, and with a little help from our friend ChatGPT, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Look, I get it. Starting a business can be scary. It's full of unknowns, challenges, and moments where you want to throw in the towel. But trust me, you are not alone. With ChatGPT by your side, You have an all-in-one strategist, copywriter, business partner, and cheerleader, all rolled into one. Boom! Now you know how I used ChatGPT to build a $798,000 accounting business in just 1 year. If you're as fired up about AI as I am, don't just sit there, take action. I've created a free guide packed with everything you need to know to start your own AI-powered accounting business. It's got tips, tricks, and templates that I use to build StoneCore Accounting, and it's yours for free. Just click the link in the description below to download your copy, and while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments if you're ready to become an AI CEO. Download my free guide. Start your AI-powered accounting business today. Link below.